Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to configure lead scoring in Freshsales. Once you're logged into your dashboard, come here to the left hand panel, click on this gear cog to access admin settings, and then from here under leads, contacts, and accounts, I want you to click on contact scoring. Now here, what you can do is you can set automations based on score. Right here, if the score is, let's say, greater than 70, we can add tags like likely to buy to the contact. You can toggle this one on. Of course, you can change this value. You can change the contact life cycle as well to different stages. So let's do sales qualified lead. And now you can also score contact by assigning positive and negative signals. Examples of positive signals, let's say specific country they're in or industry type. You come here, choose that industry. Let's say financial services, right? You save that. You choose countries like, let's say US, Canada. Let's say they're more likely to buy your product. And then you can add negative signals as well. So if the email has bounced, that is a negative signal, for example. And once you're done with that, you just come here at the bottom right, you click on Save Settings and make sure this one is toggled on as well. And that is how to configure lead scoring in Freshsales.